Say?
You're a very supportive husband. Dit is best.
Hello mga ka-indars! Welcome back to my channel. And today's guys is we are having our vlog. Pero yung asawa ko guys ang mag-take over sa aking vlog guys. And our vlog for today is that how do I organize our refrigerator, or how do I organize our refrigerator and what are inside in our refrigerators guys. So my husband gonna have to take the video because the last time guys I took a video, I always talk on the camera, so that's why I told it to him I will have to do it again and you will be the one to talk on the camera. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, he's ready guys. So
Let's take it away.
yes, let's get okay.
Well, we start with the door. Down, drinks. Wine for the wife. Coffee, milk. Coconut water. Milk. And some lemonade. Here we have some sauces. And on top, all the eggs. Then we go to the fridge itself. Downstairs. The vegetable drawers. Spinach, broccoli, French fries, blueberries, lemons, citroenen. Hoe noem je die? Citroenen?
Lemon.
Also lemons. Die ook.
Lemons, yes.
So, green lemons and the yellow.
It's a lime.
Oh, lime. Limes.
Yeah.
Limes and lemons. And garlic. It's in the box, so you can keep them longer. And the fish don't smell like the garlic. And the second one, all the things for the breads and a little rice. This is some salad. This cheese.
Wait.
Pineapple peach flavor. This is also salad, egg and bacon. Here we have some kinds of butter. This is also for cooking. This we use more for cooking.
Yeah.
We call this real butter. I always buy the one without salt. Then the second one. We have cheese, sliced cheese. Mostly all cheese because there's more flavor, more taste. This is also cheese, like French cheese, from the bread or on a toast.
Good job, darling.
Another one, this is all pap.
Pop or dessert, guys.
Dessert, yeah. This is apple mousse. We call it apple mousse.
Which one?
This is all chocolate flavor. We have this also chocolate bars. This is in the ones in pap.
Pop.
I don't know the English of pap.
Pop. Or this is a cream.
A cream.
Yes. It's cream.
Then you have another drawer. This are drinks. This is soya drinks, milk, almond flavor. This is other juice, guava flavor. One Red Bull. Here we have more coconut water and other pap. Chocolate taste. This is other type. With mango, kiwi and bananas. This is rice pudding and there are two of them.
Yes.
And we have other drinks, soft drinks. So some beer. This is juice. Mogo mogo. Mogo mogo. And on top we have the meat and the fish. Here we have shrimps. This is shrimps with garlic shrimps. Chicken. Ground beef.
Chicken.
This is vega burger with vegetables.
What is that?
Vega food, no meat.
Okay, no.
It looks meat, but it's not meat. Then here we have some different kind of sauces. I don't know which flavor, but this is paprika, grilled paprika.
Yeah.
This is. Yeah, some stuff for my wife.
Crunchy, that is a chili.
A chili. This is other sauce.
Which one? It's not focusing. Yeah.
Augurken. I don't know the English word of it. Oh, pickles. Sliced pickles. Paste. Another type. Oh no, this is tomatoes. Yeah.
Grilled tomatoes.
Yeah. Dry tomatoes. Now this is how we organize our refrigerator.
What did you say?
This is how my wife organized the refrigerator.
Yes, and on top of the...
Here we have some storage.
Baking
Stuff in the oven.
Because our container, guys, there's the container.
Other containers. Yeah.
Yes.
Put food in. That also.
Yeah. So that is why, guys, I did these containers, guys, para it's easier for us to pull. If you want something at the back side, or your refrigerator is really organized, guys. So makita mo yan dito. So hindi siya pa kalat-kalat, hindi siya pa isa-isa. So this is what's inside our refrigerator, guys. And of course, it's not a lot actually. So our refrigerator is not as big because just the two of us. So, and our store is just nearby, just only we just only have to walk 10 minutes and we are already there.
No, the meat and the shrimps will be gone at Wednesday, I think. So.
Yes, the meat is just only 3 days, guys, and then we're gonna have to buy it again.
I always look how long you can keep it.
What did you say?
I always look at the date, how long you can keep it, so then I buy it.
Yeah, because we don't have a lot of what is that now, guys? Frozen meat. So this is it, mga ka-Indays. I hope that you have some tips or how do I organize my fridge, mga ka-Indays. As I told you, we don't have a lot of stuff inside our refrigerator because we are just the two of us. And of course, my husband, after his work, he gonna drop by to the supermarkets to buy something or to buy our groceries.
Fresh.
Yes, so we have a fresh, guys. So darling, you did a good job.
Thank you.
Yes.
You're very supportive husband. Dit is best.
Mga ka-Indays, our tour fridge is already done. And good job to my husband, guys. So thank you so much for watching. And I have to shout out to all of my VIP members. Mega shout out to all of my VIP members. Thank you so much for joining my membership. Thank you so much. shout out to all of my subscribers, my supporters. Thank you so much who are supporting to my channel. Thank you. And of course, mega shout out to Alicia Ali. Mega shout out to you, Alicia Ali. Thank you also for supporting my channel. And also in this premiere today, thank you so much. So, thank you so much also to my very supportive husband. Thank you so much. So, see you on my next vlog. Have a nice day. Bye mga ka-Indies. Bye all. Mwah.